Swan, 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 libone, wanautsanalinaledi siyashatisa isauda. So this past weekend, Pastor Kaya Mteto was getting married, guys. Good day, my Sonation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsidi Sayo. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and share it broader and wider as we are building this beautiful, happy community this side. And guys, you are on Dear My Soul. By the way, I'm the twin that just went solo, so I'm doing things for myself, by myself, and of course on my own. So you better congratulate me. Today, I'm going to congratulate Pastor Kaya Mteto. But you know what? Kaya Mteto believes in marriage. The guy believes in marriage. He got married to Snendlov. I don't know Snendlov, guys. I only heard of her, and I got this information that Pastor Kaya Mteto got married to her. It's not long ago when Pastor Kaya Mteto was on the internet. He was not on the internet. Some people decided to take clips of him when he was preaching in this church, and they brought it to the internet. Oh my goodness, nowadays I just attract trash, rubbish. He said he's attracting rubbish, trash or rubbish, you know what? So I'm paraphrasing, but I think he said rubbish. Yeah, it's the same thing. I think trash is rubbish, right? So now I'm thinking, hey, daughter, it's not long time ago when you were complaining. Ushoguti, this lady was not in your life as yet, because if she was in your life, so was she also part of le trash le we attractayo? Or wenzakalani? Immediately after that, uNkulunkulu wakuzwa ukuthi uyakhala upastor. Yo, yazi indodana yami iyakhala ithi no, ngifuna umshado. How come people are getting married? And it was right after his ex-wife got married. Remember, he was married to Ntando Kunene, the former Miss South Africa. Yeah, he was married to her, and Ugel got married, and it looks like she's very much happily married, new marriage, ta. Yabona upastor wathi angeke angihlulise lo muntu lo. Angeke angihlulise. Then he was still frustrated at that time ukuthi i-ex yami ishathile i-ex yami athi nami ngiyamfuna umakoti, nami ngiyamfuna unkosikazi, athi mina ngiyamfuna unkosikazi ke. Wacomplaina with the congregants, maybe one of the congregants athi yo upastor wethu uthi yena uattracta irubbish, kumele ukuthi simthole lo muntu, asazi ukuthi umthole kanjani. I'm just thinking, because if I was one of the congregants, I was gonna be worried ukuthi yo upastor wethu maka frustrated uzopreacha kanjani, because thina silalela yena nje kulintswile hle hamunati. So a woman by his side, you know. He shouldn't be bitter, because you know normally when people get married or when people are dating, I hear that. I hear that. I've never been in the situation like that. I've heard, because I remember there was this person that, okay, let me finish. I've heard that when people have been in a relationship, you know, when they separate, now it's a battle of who's gonna get married first, or who's gonna be in a good relationship, who's gonna be in a relationship. That's why many people, when they get out of relationships, they just jump into another relationship just to show ex ukuthi sengingenile. Hayi guy, awukho happy mina ngiyezi leyo. Yeah, so you must just sit back, because uzolimala mawungena kule ungapholanga kahle. So na manje upastor bekathi okay, i-ex seyishathile. So I'm here to say umshado ukhona eMzansi. Just that some of us, we are not serious enough. umshado ukhona, sengibonile. Guys, like people like Abolebu M, they get married 2 months down the line, they say, oh, I don't want this one. They get engaged, you know. You know, guys, for some of us, how many of your relationships have led to marriage? Have led to close to engagement? Usho ukuthi asikho serious, because if upastor uKaya Mteto akhala enkonzweni atshela abazalwane ukuthi yena nowadays he's just attracting rubbish, and it's not even 6 months. It's a 6 months, guys. It was early this year. I don't think it's 6 months. So uyashada, sekatholile isithandwa sakhe, sekathole umuntu wakhe. Usho ukuthi umshado ukhona, thina siyadlala. Siyadlala. Yazi siyadlala. Hayi manje nami sengiserious ngiyakhala ke. Guys, mina I attempted this marriage thing. Actually, it wasn't me who was attempting it. It was the other person attempted this marriage thing with me, because I really don't think I was ready, because I got into it because umuntu sekathe balagata and umntwana sekakhona sekithi what's the point? Let me just do it. Let me, like that. It didn't even last a year, guys. So I don't consider myself someone who has been married, because I have never lived with a man like this is my husband. I've never said someone is my husband, or no. I've never been. So abantu bayadivorca, badivorce, and thina sahlele lana, sahlele. Like, what kind of healing is this? We've been healing. Because the excuse will be, I'm healing. You heal until you die. Are we gonna heal until we die? You know what, guys? No, asiko serious. Nyanibiza nonke ngithi nina nifana nami, benithi ni single. Umshado awikho eSouth Africa, like la eMzansi, la eSouth umshado ukhona. Like, look at this. Lebuyam uyabathola. Upastor Khaya uyakhala namhlanje, tomorrow uyashada futhi. And then the ex yakhe futhi seyishadile. Sibona abantu bashada almost every day. And now we're sitting here saying, hi, you know how difficult it is. Because, and now I know the problem. Because we want to marry our types. Sifuna ama-type wethu. So sometimes our type wethu, abanye, they are dead. Because there's actually someone that I believed that guy was my type. I knew the person who had never, I always believed yazi one day, that person was my crush for the longest time. Being believer ukuthi lo muntu lo one day uzoba umuntu wami, like he's my soulmate, When you believe someone is your soulmate, but they don't know that they are your soulmate. And that person died, and he was never married, but he died. And I'm still like, is this why I'm still single, guys? Is that why I'm still single? Does it mean that is the person? Indeed, that is the guy. That was my soulmate. And then he died before, we officially met, because I believe that, if me and that guy were to meet and sit and have a conversation, from that day, we're going to say, you and I, we are getting married. Like, next week, we are not even going to discuss umjolo. Married at first sight. We're going to do married at first sight. Unfortunately, the guy passed away, so manje, I'm a widow. So I'm a widow, guys. That's why you're singing, because of abantu babangibona bathi hayi widow, widow. So angazi ukuthi abanye bethu sizoshata nini. So I said to my daughter last week, you know what? Because she likes asking me, but mommy, when are you gonna get married? Because I really want you to get married. I want to see you in marriage. I want to see you with a husband. I want to see you, like, I don't mind having a stepfather. My daughter likes saying that. So I said to her, you know what? It's not gonna be nice. You think it's easy, because sometimes I do it for you, because I feel like you and I, we have been by ourselves for the longest time. So I don't want to bring discomfort into your life, because you have all this full access. So sometimes I think I'm doing it for you, where now you want me to go and marry someone, because definitely I'm not going to marry someone who doesn't have kids. At my age, I doubt I will ever find someone who doesn't have kids. And again, I'm avoiding, I think my age is a bit critical, the 30s and the 40s. I don't want to marry someone who's still raising kids, right? Because my daughter is 13. I want her to become an adult. At least when she's 18, she can take care of herself. No one will come here and say, we are raising my kid. So I've raised her. she's her own person at that time. She's a bit independent. I want her to be independent. I'm even saying to her, I'm going to get married when you get to varsity. Finish your high school and everything. When you're in varsity, I know you're independent. You know, you're not depending on me, mommy, this. I'm not raising kids. I'm not doing, no. So I'm also looking to get married to someone who's a widower. I want a widower, guys, or a divorcee at least. But then a divorcee who divorced a long time ago, you know, over 5 years divorced. I don't want someone who just got divorced, you know. I don't want someone who's still, you know, taking kids to school, doing this. Ke batla motho e leng hore bana ba Highland le bona se ba tlotse the teenage stage. Ko se ba le ba holonyana. At least, let me say at least 18 upwards. So that's why I'm saying to my daughter, wait for me, age of 50. Maybe, like, I mean, I want retirement marriage, guys. The same for retirement marriage. I don't want someone to say, let's start life. I want someone to say, let's retire together and die together. You know, I want someone like that. So now, leave me alone. Let me finish raising my child until she's independent. And I'm going to go and say, okay, I'll settle at that time. So I'm giving it, you know, I'm turning 44 in 2 months. So I'm giving it 6 years, you know. So yeah, 5-6 years, maybe at the age of 49, 50. But 50 on I might figure I straight. My figure 50 on you know. So I want retirement, old love, you know, old age love. I'm for old age love, retirement love, you know, like that. So yeah, so you know, now it's me and this person. You know, we travel together, we do things together. Yeah, the kids will visit and go. Not us living with kids now. I'm raising your children, you're raising no. So guys, umshato ukhona. Ukhona umshado. So I came here to say congratulations to Pastor Khaya Mthethwa for getting married to Snendlovu. I was still to know about her. I don't know if I'm interested, but then, yeah, that's it, guys. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's still possible to get married around the ages of 50? Because mina ngizoshada by the age of 50. So yeah, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I love you and I appreciate you guys. Let's get the subscribers to 1,000, right? Yes. Okay, I'll see you on my next upload. Bye-bye.